This is a package that arrived today, and let's unbox it. This uses the CVV Vision FG. Oh, I know what this is. Oh, CJRB. The Maximal from DCA.
So let's go.
Are you ready?
We have the knife burrito, some silica gels. I don't know what to do with these pouches anymore. I keep them, but I don't know what to do with them. Polishing cloth, Jeremy. If I say nice again, you have to take a shot. No spare omega springs. That's a shame. And here it is, the Maximal in carbon fiber. The Knife Center exclusive. Oh, that was smooth. Oh, that feels nice. It's nice and contoured. Just a little bit. Deep pocket carry clip. Gold accents on the pivot. Oh, it's so light. It's very light. First impressions of the blade, I like it. Could use some jimping here. It might need to break in a little. Just a little. Spacers, standoffs. See how centered. They're right. Pretty centered. So the steel is an ARSF2, a powder steel comparable to D2, I think. It's a mid-tier steel, but this was less than $70, so I can't complain. The feature for this one, I think, is the carbon fiber scales. They're so light. This is one of the lightest knives I have. Oh, yeah, inset liners for toughness. But DCA was right. This is kind of beetle kind of knife. The blade to handle ratio is spot on. There's no waste of space. Jimping. DCA, some jimping up here would be perfect. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Pretty sharpish out of the box. Some receipt paper. No, well, it's sharp. So that's my first impression of the CJRB Maximal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.